Ever wondered why bees are essential to your garden? These buzzing buddies play a crucial role as pollinators in our garden ecosystem. They're like nature's little couriers, transferring pollen from male to female flower parts. This pollination process is vital for the growth of our fruits, vegetables, and flowers. But here's the sting. Bee populations are in decline, which could have a big impact on our gardens and food supply. Now that we understand why bees are vital, how can we attract them to our gardens? Creating a bee-friendly garden is easier than you might think. Start by choosing a variety of vibrant plants that bloom at different times of the year. This ensures that our buzzy friends have a continuous source of nectar and pollen, their primary food sources. Remember to include a fresh water source. A shallow dish with pebbles or twigs for the bees to land on will do just fine. Be sure to avoid pesticides, as they can be harmful to bees. Instead, opt for natural pest control methods. Further, providing nesting sites for bees is an essential part of creating a bee-friendly garden. You can do this by leaving a small patch of your garden untended or by introducing bee hotels. Lastly, don't underestimate the importance of native plants. These are especially attractive to local bee species and play a crucial role in supporting biodiversity. With these simple steps, you can make your garden a haven for bees and enjoy the benefits they bring. Why not turn your garden into a sanctuary for these buzzing pollinators? By planting a variety of colorful, nectar-rich flowers, you can create a haven for bees and other pollinators. This simple action can positively impact local bee populations and even contribute to the health of our wider environment. It's more than just a garden. It's an act of conservation, a personal commitment to our planet's biodiversity. So take the leap. Remember, every garden counts. Start your bee-friendly garden today and become a part of this important movement. That's it for today's guide on creating a bee-friendly garden. We've shared the importance of bees and how you can help them thrive. Remember, your garden can be a sanctuary for these little pollinators. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Thank you for watching.